talked about this before, but you've also recently published a book titled Simplifying Mining Maintenance. Could you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, I wrote the book primarily because being in maintenance for a very long time, and I started from like I said, on the shop floor and in the line management, and very much practical sort of knowledge of maintenance. And then I went through this period of learning all the theories and all of those sort of things. And then when I went back into the line again, I was able to understand how the theories can be implemented, but it all really came back to the people side of things. And so I wanted, and then in Bluefield we've helped sites, sort those people or cultural issues out and get some really great improvements. And taking their fleets from very average or poor performance up to very good performance within 6 months and things like that. So I wanted to share that. I want to see the industry considered excellent at maintenance and asset management and those sort of things. So I wanted the world to know this important aspect of it, which is the cultural side. So the subtitle of the book is a practical guide to creating a culture that eliminates breakdowns and generates profits. So that cultural side at times I feel is being forgotten.
Certainly we were relating a story earlier about my experience in operations and how in the early days of our career we were back up in Mount Isa in those days, and we'd had a bit of a culture where things just used to get pulled out of maintenance, and instead of letting the maintenance happen. And one of the cultural changes one of my old bosses made was to stop that from happening, and the improvement in our operations was remarkable, and we had to invest in some extra machine equipment and things like that as well, but that also made substantial differences to our business, and then kept the maintenance running on them so that we didn't have those unpredicted failures anywhere near as often.
And I know in my earlier career with mining fleets, and also in Bluefield several times, we've actually worked with clients, and I did it myself, where we increased the amount of maintenance downtime, and the fleet availability went up. From day one. So we do more maintenance, take the machines down more, and the availability went up because we offset all the unscheduled downtime.
That's it.
Really important. But anti-intuitive thing that sometimes people don't understand.
Right. And that was certainly a learning from the early days of that stuff for us.